In this video, I'm going to show how to put our general notes together. So what we need to do is we go View, and in here we've got Schedules. We've got Schedules and Quantities, or what we can do is in our project browser, we can right click and go Create New Schedule. Now what we need is we need a category of general notes. However, there isn't one in Revit for this. So what we can do is take one that we're not going to use. So I'm going to take generic models, and what I'm going to do is rename it to general notes. Change to our schedule keys, and then go to general notes, or retype in general notes. Go OK. This should look familiar from previous schedules that we've done. I want to move my comments parameter across to there, and then I go OK. And now what this does is it creates a new schedule for me. So I'm just going to make this one a bit wider because I have a bit of text I want to put in. At the moment I can't type anything in here, so I need to insert a data row. So insert, I'm going to insert a few of them because we're going to put in some notes in here. Now what you can do is you can copy paste them, or what you can do is type them in. For us, we're going to type them in because we're not given a document. Usually what will happen is you have a set of pretty standard general notes that you'll copy from document to document and drawing to drawing. So let's just check some properties of our schedule first. I'm going to just go edit to one of these and have a look. So sorting and grouping, sort by key name ascending, that's okay. Formatting, nothing to change here. And the appearance, I'm going to take off my show headers, and I'm going to get rid of my grid lines. Go OK. The other thing I can see is this general notes here. I'm probably going to change this text. So I'll select it, font. I'm going to change this to an Arial black. I'm going to make it bold. I'm just going to increase the size of it. Okay, if you do this before and you drag it across the sheet, you'll see this is a bit too small. So I go OK, just makes it stand out a bit better. So our first note that we're going to put on, all of our notes are in capitals. So our first note is going to be all steelwork to be grip lasted to class 2.5, and then apply minimum 2 coats of inorganic zinc. This is a bit of a mouthful, this one. Inorganic zinc silicate primer to protect against corrosion. So this is just indicating our corrosion protection for our steel. Silicate primer to protect against corrosion. Okay, now my next one. All steel work to be fabricated from shopwork drawings Okay, now forgive me if I misspell anything in here. I'll try my best not to. So no site welding is permitted. Okay. It's very costly and it's a lot harder to control. Our next one is going to be all steelwork supply installation shall be in accordance with the AS 4100. So all steel work fabrication supply and installation shall be in accordance with AS 4100. So remember that our AS 4100 is our structural steel standards. The next one is all welding to comply with AS 1554 parts 1 and 2. Okay, again, we're just referencing standards. Oop. So yeah, we're just referencing standards all through this. Okay. As I mentioned before, when we're doing our detailing, we write in our general notes our general weld fixing, unless otherwise noted. So we have unless indicated otherwise, which you'll also see this written as UON, so unless otherwise noted. You'll see that on a lot of plans as well. So unless otherwise noted, all fillet welds shall be 6 millimeters and extend the full length of the edges in contact. Okay, so all of our fillet welds will run all around everything. All bolts shall be high strength structural grade 8.8 S unless otherwise noted. Okay, so this unless otherwise noted we will see in places such as our haunch. We have it here. Okay, our intermediate fillet weld. Alright, so usually we don't specify these little welds here because obviously that we're going to have welds around our stiffeners and our end plates, but we're covering this now in these general notes. The next notation that we're going to put on there is the ends of all tubular members to be sealed with nominal, did I spell that right? Nope. Nominal thickness plates and continuous fillet weld unless otherwise noted. And then this last note here, I'm just going to delete 10 because we're only using 9 for now. This last note here really just safeguards us as designers. So if in any doubt with regards to the details provided within the footing construction report or the attached documents, I can't spell, the attached documents, the engineer or design engineer should be contacted immediately. Okay, so if they run into any problems on site or they don't understand anything in our drawings, give us a call and we can sort it all out. So just with everything else, putting these on a sheet, I'll just create a new sheet really quick. So just to show you. Now if I drag these general notes straight across, okay, this is how they look on our sheet. Alright. So that finishes off our general notes. You can add more. Quite often there will be a full A3 sheet which is notes all over it, but for us, for this project, this is enough to get by.